Ikaw ang aking
Hi guys, today I brought our my labubu. My labubu, bro. There you are. Binili ko to kanina guys. Asya. Tiny lang siya guys. Buksan natin sa It's gonna be Saspire. It's gonna be amazing. Okay, whatever. Because I'm doing and don't move. Okay? So, let's see this. Ito yung melody na may kulay siya purple. I give it Oh my gosh. This is what I wanted. Look, this is a melody, but this is actually melody. So this is so cool. So I brought more. It's my sister bag. His dog ate it. At least isa lang at sa ate ko be. Isa lang yung labubu niya. So, make to overtime tayo. Make love. Bebe. Look at this. Amazing, bro. Nah. So, let's open it. Wait. Okay. Sinry ko na to dati. Ang ganda. Ito yung laman, guys. My nail sponge. At lipstick and kami lip balm. At tapos iting eyeshadow. Wait lang. Ito eyeshadow, oh. Ganyan. So, tapos may ganito para mag-nails. At mga sticker pag nag-eye blush. Ito blush. Ito. So, ito yung wow brush. Ay, nasira, guys. Kabit natin, guys. Kabit na, guys. Okay, so yun yung mga brush. Ay, sira. Bugot, guys. Bugot ulo, guys. Wait lang, guys. Ayusin ko lang to. Ay, fix it. This is the one. And this is two. And this is two. Bye. Wait lang. And this is the plus. I have a this clay.